So I hear y'all like beauty tutorials. So let's give that a go. So we're gonna start with hair, obviously, because it's doing a lot. We're not gonna use a brush because curls and laziness. I don't care. Oh, wow, we're halfway there already. Look at that. This is moving along quick. You notice this right here? This is what I call a pandemic undercut. AKA it used to be a undercut and then I couldn't go get my hair cut. But I'll show you guys how to fix that in a minute. So got our handy dandy, I don't know what you call these fuckers, a telephone cord hair tie. Yep, we're gonna just swoop that thing right up there, twice around, and then we're going for the signature upside down half bun. Let's pull it out a little bit more. There we go. All right, and then these guys. And that's how we fix the pandemic undercut situation. Yeah. Swoop. Swoop. Look at that. Huh? Look, pandemic undercut. Oh, wait. Gone. Okay, step 2 of the beauty routine is washing that face, because you see that guy right there? It's been too long since I've washed my face. Help. So you're gonna wet your little washcloth here, because you don't want to use your hands because you're just scrubbing more dirt in and that's gross. Dampen the face. And then I use this soap. It's a zinc soap. It is amazing on my face. I'll put the link in the comments. Well, I won't put the link where I actually bought it because I bought it off of Amazon. And as we've discussed before, I'm ashamed of all my Amazon purchases because Jeff Bezos doesn't need your fucking money. And he's the devil himself. All right. Now we do a rinsey. And then I think I see some of that eye makeup left over from yesterday because I didn't take it off because I'm cool like that. So let's dry this face off and get rid of that. All right, so excuse me, coronavirus. Just kidding. Morning, throat, whatever. So for makeup removal, I use these little awesome reusable pads because I'm all about trying to reduce my single-use product consumption. They come with this like super awesome little baggie, dude, and you just like throw them in there when they're used and you cinch it up and you throw it in the washing machine and the dryer. It's amazing. I got the white ones, but I don't recommend for obvious reasons, but they sell them in black. So all your makeup won't trash them. Pretty cool. And then I use Mary Kay eye makeup remover because it's the best. I used to be a consultant and it's pretty awesome. So watch this bad boy go. Oh yeah, yesterday's makeup gone. Last but not least, moisturizer. I use Curology's Smooth Sailing. It's pretty great. Now we want to do upward and outward, ladies. Don't forget your neck because that shit gets old too. This is wrinkle prevention right here. Just literal moisturizer. And I'm 31 now, so I gotta think about that shit. Voila! Now, on to the makeup routine. So y'all, this look is a signature look. I call it, at least I tried. So I do not have a carefully curated palette of makeup tools. So we're gonna start with that foundation. I'm going to just squeeze it straight on my dirty brush, which is totally what you're supposed to do. I don't know if it's what you're supposed to do. You're definitely not supposed to have a dirty brush, but like I said, at least I tried. And also, this color clearly does not match me. And we're just gonna blend it in and pretend that it works well. I just like can't find a foundation that matches my weird skin tone. Open to suggestions, please. Okay, see, it's not that bad. The lighting in here is a little wild, so it looks worse than it is, I promise. It's not bad. All right, now some under eye concealer. I hear that you're supposed to like put your hand behind things to make them focus. I don't know how to do this crap, y'all. Don't forget the side of your eye, guys. He gets dark too. Blend her up. And of course you gotta open your mouth while you do this. I don't know why, you just do. That's just the rule. If anybody's got any science behind that one, let me know. I'm gonna set that with a little pouty pout. I use a Mary Kay mineral powder foundation. Does the trick. I used to know a lot about makeup, I really did, and I just got older and stopped caring. I'm like, honestly, I can glam it up when I try. I know a little bit about contouring. Maybe I'll show you guys that in a later video, but not today because today's look is called At Least I Tried. All right, now brows. I got sketchy brows. So I got this like micro blading liquid eye. Yeah, you're supposed to do this, aren't you? Yeah, I don't think that helps. Liquid eyebrow pen. It's honestly a piece of crap. All right, that's it. I tried. I know my shape's a little wild, y'all. So if you have a desire to screenshot this and doodle all over it, give me a mustache and tell me what shape my eyebrows should be, totally open to it. I use Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express. I like big, I like not clumpy, and I like waterproof. A lot of people complain about waterproof, but I've got allergies and I cry a lot and you never know when it's gonna happen. It's like, you know, I used to just put on waterproof when I was really depressed and felt like a cry might happen, and now I don't risk it. I just, you know, you never know, especially in 2020, you never know what's gonna hit you. So always be prepared. There, looks good. And then a little, ta-da! Now, as you can see, not an artist and definitely got some all over my eyelids. So let's fix that. And that's it, y'all. Oh wait, no it's not. Just kidding. Okay, last but not least, I pick at them. Because ADHD and stress and anxiety is just what happens, okay? Deal with it. So they're kind of uneven, so I like to wear a lipstick, but this is like a moisturizing, so it's a Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. And yeah, it's like just slightly darker than my natural lip color. Now this is the point where I feel like I look a little ghosty, so I'm gonna put a little blush on, just a smidge. At least I tried.